Okay, so today I'm going to be giving Will a haircut because his hair is really overgrown, and I'm going to be using the Conair Barbershop Ultimate Grip Clipper, and this is everything that it came with, so it should be super easy. I'm going to start with a number 5 because he wants it really short on the sides and then it longer up top, and then you always fade out. Like flick your wrist outward. Just kind of following along where I can see his barber stopped. And I'm starting with a longer comb because you can always go shorter, but you cannot put hair back on the head. So now I'm gonna go down to a 2 and follow the shape of his head. So now I'm going to just shorten the blade underneath to make it a little bit closer. It makes it easier to fade. So now I'm just going to use the blade and I'm going to shape this up. So now I'm going to take the longest length, which is a 7, and I have it on the longest setting for the blade underneath, and I'm going to do the top of his head. So we are all done his hair. We still have to shape up his beard. But yeah, it looks really good. It was super easy. I'm proud of myself. Definitely made cutting his hair really easy.